Hi, this is Dr. Revales, and today I want to show you a problem that involves calculations of radians. Radians is this other unit we use to measure angles, and it's really helpful, especially when we calculate rotational motion around a circle. But in this specific problem, it's asking, find the length of the intercept arc in centimeters. So here I want to start showing you a circle, and we know for the circle, if I want to calculate the circumference of these circles of radius 4, I can do it by using this formula. Circumference is 2 pi r. So that will give me the total circumference of this blue line. And I can do here, let's calculate the circumference for this specific problem. 2 times pi times 4 centimeters. You multiply this in your calculator, you get 25.13 centimeters. That's the total circumference again. But now we are having a problem which we don't want to have the whole thing. We only want a fraction of the circumference, which we call an arc length. So what I found out is that we can use the same formula for the circumference. And I'm going to say, if this is the circumference, I'm going to consider that 2 pi is a complete revolution or 360 degrees. So if I define that 2 pi equals at 360 degrees or equals 1 revolution, I can write a new formula, which is going to be now S equals R times angle. Well, S is the arc length, is the fraction of the circumference. R is the radius, and this theta is the angle in units of radians. Okay, I will say this is 2 pi radians. So what I need to do to solve this problem is using this formula, this new formula we just introduced, S equals R theta. I'm going to use it here. S equals R. R is the radius, which is 4 centimeters, times the angle. I'm using this formula, R angle. But the angle has to be in radians. So I'm going to say for this problem, this is 75 degrees. And I can use a conversion saying, this is my conversion, right? And I can say also that 2 pi radians equals 360 degrees, or pi radians equals 180 degrees. So that's my conversion. I want to highlight here my conversions. So the whole thing is calculate the angle in radians using that conversion factor. We'll see 180 degrees is equals pi radians. So if I multiply here, so it will be 75 times pi over 180. 75 times pi over 180. That will give me 1.31 radians. Okay, now I'm ready to use the formula. 1.31 radians times the 4 centimeters, that will give me 5.23. 5.23 centimeters. I want to just note something here. See, my units are centimeters, which are coming from here. But what I find out is that radians is not part of my solution. See, these units radians are not here. That's what I say this is called a fake unit or a dummy unit, which really helping me do the calculation. Again, I'm calculating a fraction of the circumference using this formula, S equals R times the angle, where the R could be in any metric unit, centimeters, meters, inches, any distance unit, but the angle has to be in radius. Okay, thank you for watching.